Using Skybox Studio, you can create a custom HDRI skybox to use in Blender, Unity, Unreal or any other 3D software with HDRI support. First, you need to have the latest version of Blender installed on your computer. Then download the Skybox engine through the link in the description of this video. You can download the program for free, leaving the value as 0, or you can pay whatever you think is fair. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file in Blender. To preview how your skybox will look, press the Z key on your keyboard, and select the Render option. It is worth remembering that the Skybox engine will only work correctly in cycles, however, the HDRI file you make can be used in EV. Now, you can start assembling your skybox. You can select your colors for the sky and horizon, and you can also import an image, from which you will extract the colors using the image editor at the bottom of the screen. Still in the right column, you find two configuration options. In the Radiant option, you can configure the color, intensity, size, altitude, and the brightness of your sun or moon. And in the Clouds option, you configure the scattering, intensity, size, level of detail, distortion, opacity, horizontal rotation and position of your clouds. After configuring your HDRI the way you want, just press the F12 key, wait for the rendering to finish and save your file in a folder on your computer. And that's it. You now have an original, custom HDRI file to use however you like.